Fontana Milan, 8 antique brass, Rainfall shower, set B product code, FS9732. Using premium brass, to make whole shower set, Fontana Milan 8 antique brass Rainfall, shower set B looks elegant and is suited to bathroom hotels, club, or even your own home. Luxurious downpour, shower head for a pleasant shower with its 8 shower head. Antique brass finish, more anti-oxidation, and anti-scratch, not easy to discoloration, simultaneously makes bathing more comfortable. High-quality antique brass finish. Fontana Milan, 8 antique brass, Rainfall shower, set B features, brand name, FontanaShowers. Model number, FS9732. Size, 8 inches. Hot-cold water, yes. Control type, dual control. Style, classic. Type, shower set with faucet. Main valve material, ceramic. Shower set material, brass. Number of handles, double handle. Finish, antique brass. Connection, G12.